Alright, so welcome back, and now I'm going to show you how to set up all the tools required for Matplotlib. So first of all, I'm going to show you the Google Collaboratory. In order to go to Google Collaboratory, you need to use this link, or you can just search in the web. I'll leave in the link in the description below. And this Google Collaboratory is quite a tool, as it provides you with hints on how to write the code, and it also has many it has a lot of modules installed in itself, which in order to install in other editors like Jupyter Notebook or Spider, you need to apply a lot of effort. So in order to open a new file in this Google Collaboratory that we have here, go to new file and click new notebook. Okay, so this asks you to sign into your Google account. I'm already signed into my Google account, as you can see over here, and you can sign into your Google account. You can create. Alright, so here we can write any code. For example, import pandas. Now this is not important right now. This is just for a demo, and we can hit this button right over here, run button. You don't have to learn this piece of code right now, but I'll teach you the concept of machine learning. As you can see, it has run. Number 1, to show you whether number 2 appears, I'm going to do import numpy as np. You can also press shift enter in the keyboard if you don't want to press this. So you can see that it's in sequential order, starting from 1 to 2. Alright, so that's how to install Google Collaboratory. Alright, now coming to Jupyter Notebook and Spider, this one. Alright, so both of them, as I said in earlier lecture, come into the package of Anaconda. Now this is a search in Google, Anaconda. We'll click on this link. We can also I'll also leave the link in the description, but actually not this one, this one. Depending on whether you want to install in Windows or install in Mac OS, you can read the description. You can read the documentation. If you have any security issues, you can install on Mac OS, you can install on Linux R as well. So I'll leave both the links in the description below. Alright, so this is the third link from where you will install. You can also read these things, these paragraphs. So many models and modules are available with this kit. You have also got this user interface, Anaconda Navigator. We also have Anaconda for Enterprise. So I've already downloaded in my PC, so you can hit this download button and choose the correct options, or if you know which option to choose in the dialog box which follows. After you do it, you can open Anaconda Navigator, which opens this terminal thing, which would finally open to an Anaconda Navigator. So let's see. Alright, so that's the Anaconda Navigator opening, and we can also open the Spider, which I've already opened and downloaded. This is how it would actually look. The Spider. This is demo code. This is how it would actually look. We would type our codes in here. Alright, coming to Jupyter Notebook. This is my Jupyter Notebook, and as you can see, we have this new option. We have to go to new Python 3, much like the Google Collaboratory, this one here as well. Let me type the code. Sorry, import pandas as pd. So this is the code I have. Kernel is starting. So kernel is also something like this, which as you can see is written in your Jupyter notebook, Anaconda 3, and this is something that would run. You can copy paste this things, and it will still open to the Jupyter notebook. But mind you have to keep the kernel open always. You can't let the kernel be down, or else it will be disconnected and the code will not run. So as you can see, it will show one over here after being finished, and pd dot this is a sample CSV code that I'm typing, sample code I'm typing over here to test it. There we go, it comes out and we get a beautiful graph like this. So that's the power of Jupyter notebook. And this is the navigator I've been talking about. This is actually not responding. So we have got Jupyter Lab, which we can launch any of these. We have got actually let me shorten this one and show you. Alright, so we have got Jupyter Lab, we have got cmd command, or the command prompt of Anaconda itself. We have got Jupyter notebook, as I showed you. We have got PowerShell prompt. We have got Qt console, which is by quantity guy, GUI or GUI, which I'll teach you later. We have got Spider. We have got Glue, which is a multi-dimensional data visualization file. We have got VS Code, which is Visual Studio Code, which also I'll show you later. We have got RStudio, which is for R, and we have got another framework called Orange 3, which is a data mining framework. We have got a community. We can also learn. There are environments as well. So these are the environments I got. These are the modules I have. So that's basically it, and thank you.